Hello everyone, it's Julie at Camellia Crafts Designs. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to any first time viewers. Just a quick paper flip through today, no actual project. So yeah, this will be fabulous for Alice lovers. If you're not an Alice lover and you don't want to see this pad, there's nothing else here for you today. So see you next time, bye. Right, Alice lovers we're left with, aren't we? Yeah. I got a £15 Amazon gift voucher for my birthday from Zoe, the lovely Zoe at Paper Creations over on Instagram. And yeah, this is what I did with it. Oh, look at that. Can you see? Now, this is called the Alice in Wonderland Gold pad. That's how it's described when you buy it. It doesn't say it on here, does it? Might say it on back. I've not looked at back. I don't want to move it. Because it's just sheets printed with gold. I'll have to do it. I'll flip it over. There we go. I were really careful getting this in shot perfectly so I could get you as close as possible. Yeah, so it's the sheets printed with gold. Ooh, yes. So yeah, most of them are the same images that we get from the the other 12x12 pad, you know, the one everyone knows, the one I did a flip through of last week. Yeah, we've got a few extra ones. A lot of them are the same, but they're single-sided. Look. Yeah, so you've not got that added dilemma of which side shall I use. It's decided for you. Because, come on, be honest, if you want it white, go and get a sheet of white card. This is not for you. So yeah, I'll put a link down below. I got this one from Amazon. It is available on the My Creative Spirit website. So I'll link them both. Yep. Right, let's turn it over and have a look. Oh, are we right? We're right. Well, I'm never right, but I'm as right as my paper pads are right. So yeah, 12x12 sheets. We've got some added gold edges and elements. It's just an acceptable amount of bling, I think. Yeah, I don't want too much bling in our lives, but this is just, oh, look at it bling bling. So yeah, crack on. Oh, look at that already. First page, I'm in love. Yeah, I do have the die cuts and I thought they'd be paper. They're not. They're quite thick. That's a separate pack you can buy, again, in my other flip through, but these are paper, so I think these are going to be a little bit more easy to use within the journal. Yeah, all the usual Alice in Wonderland quotes. I think I need to do a door sign for that. We're all mad here. Yep, I'm not crazy, my reality is just different than yours. That sums me up. That's me. Yeah, I want that on a mug or a t-shirt, or just a sign that I hang around my neck when I leave house, maybe. So yeah, every little bit of this is usable. Even the little bits between these cutouts, we can make circles, you know, for like the button string closure or anything. I do have a love art punch. I'm now wishing I had these others, but I don't need them. Yeah, I've got a love art punch. Yeah, that'd be good. That'll do. Right, so yeah, so you've got tags, little, yeah, banners, yeah, labels. Love it. Ooh, yeah, we do have this in the 12x12 paper and the 8x8, but this time nothing on the back. Now this is what I wanted as well. I wanted some of the background papers to layer up, especially for my front cover that I've been promising you for a week and it's still not here. It's coming at weekend. And yeah, I'm not going to lose any gorgeous images onto the side. And like I say, you get 22 sheets in this, whereas is there 10 sheets? There's 10 sheets in the other 12x12 pad, so I think it's still good value. Yeah, again, we'll get that same one. I think I'm going to be making about 5 journals with all ones I've got. Oh, I like this back. I love this background paper. Yeah. Oh, look at these journal cards. You could even use one of those as the front cover of a journal. That is all you would need. Look at that Wonderland. I'm very tempted to use, I am very tempted just to use one of these on my front cover with some layering behind, because they're absolutely lovely. Ooh. Now you can do whatever you want on the back of these. You could line them with tea dyed paper, you could just grunge up the back. I'm thinking you could print on the back, but I'm doing this journal without any printing. I mean, not everyone has a printer and wants to print digitals, do they? I've nothing against digitals, I love them, use loads. But in this first project I'm doing with you, I'm not using them. And look at these. Ah, oh, look at that. Oh, you could put one of the little die cuts on there, couldn't you? Or just keep it for journaling. You could make a little mini flip book within the journal. Ooh, that's an idea. And this, I just love this. Don't know why. It reminds me of 1970s settee covers. It just does. I'm sure my mum had some stretch covers for a sofa when I was growing up like that. I really am sure. Another background paper. Not a lot to say about this one. It just needs stroking, needs some love. Now that, yes, this one is in, I'm saying this is in the other paper pack. I know we've got the big card, the bookmarks. I'm not sure if the pictures on are the same. I love this label. Absolutely love that. So, there's another one. Yeah, there's definitely more than there are into the 12x12 pad. I've already started cutting that up, so it's really hard to compare at a minute. But yeah, just love it. I love this hint of gold. Can you see it when I wiggle page? I'm filming this in evening under electric light, so you can just see that gold. I'm absolutely in love with it. Yep, this is, yeah, in fact I used the 8x8 sheet of this for a centre spread in one of the signatures. I just love it. I love everything about these pads. My eyes are going funny looking at that. Don't know about yours. I'm going to turn it over quick sharp. Yeah, we've definitely got these in the other pack. I'm saying definite. It's not definite. I think we have. I'm not sure. Teapots, loads of teapots. Would you like an adventure now, or shall we have our tea first? Well, you just need tea first, don't you? In fact, put it in a sippy cup, travel mug, take it where you want adventure, I say. Twinkle, twinkle. Ooh, it is twinkling. Oh, look. I mean, we could make some, put a front and a back together. Excuse me. And we could put a little card inside. We can do all sorts. Oh, and this page, I love this page. I used it as one of the signature covers. Yeah, it was from this one, the 12x12 pad I used into. And again, the whole sheet of that is sending my eyes a bit funny. So I don't know about you. Oh, yes. We've got the Cheshire Cat. I like it. I like his little smile. It reminds me of cat go-cat box, what my cat eats. Yeah, freaky, that go-cat box. They've CGI'd a smile onto a cat. I never noticed it when they first did it, but kids did. It's like, ooh, what's happened to cat on go-cat box? Go-cat is the brand of cat food that my cat eats for people outside the UK. I don't know how international go-cat is. Oh, anyway, we've got Spades now. Spades. Ooh, cards. I'm thinking those cards might be a different size to the cards in the other 12x12. I honestly don't know. I really should have compared them before coming on and doing a video. But, well, you can see it. Yeah, that's why we're here to look at it, aren't we? Oh, that's fabulous. Oh, really fabulous. Especially as I wanted to use cards as page tabs. Well, I know, it's like one of them. Do you ever go in Poundland with someone else and one of you's always go, well, it's me who does it. I'm like, wow, look at this. It's only £1. Well, how much did you expect it to be? Although having said that, that's not always the case now, is it? Things can be more than £1. But it's like, wow, how much is that? £1. What, 99p shop? How much is that? 99p. Who'd have thought it? Anyway, that's back here playing cards. I've descended into silliness, haven't I? I'm just not capable of being serious. And oh, wowza, die cuts, die cuts, die cuts, cut aparts, fussy cuts, whatever you want to call them. I've got the cat, yeah, with his Go Cat smile. Oh, love it, love it. This is going to make the journal so much more interesting. And that's it, that's your last page. It's quite sad, that, isn't it? There's no more pages. So that was 22 pages apparently. I feel like I want to count them, make sure I've not been duped. 1, 2. Yeah, there's about 22. So there you have it, the Alice in Wonderland Gold pad. It's just so gorgeous. I wonder how long between this video going up, Zoe seeing it, and her ordering one. Yeah, I reckon it'll be seconds before Zoe orders one of these. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me for my, yeah, faffy flip. Yeah, I'm going to call it faffy flip. Can't say it. Faffy flip through. Yeah. So I will be, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing in my video tomorrow. Yeah, it'll be something mad probably, just to keep in with the Alice in Wonderland theme, and then we'll have some more Alice projects over the weekend. So thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.